It's a Saturday afternoon here in Little Tokyo. It looks like everything's back to normal. People are walking around without their mask, as you can see. You see a couple of people walking around with their masks on, but for the most part, no. But businesses are very super busy. We've got people that have bought food over here at this place. I forgot the name of it, but they sell takoyaki. And they have the little decorations out, which is really nice. Yeah, it looks like things are back to normal. People are dressed up in anime or cosplay costume. Very cool. Very awesome. I was looking at the shop right here. This is like Japanese artist chopper station or whatever. Nice. So I was walking here in Little Tokyo, and I actually walked past this place, which is called Ginza. And it's really cool because they actually have a lot of old vinyls. And I did happen to notice one poster in mine, which is this famous Japanese singer right here, Matsuda Seiko. She was my favorite singer back in the 80s, when J-pop was ruling. And here's the store right here. Pretty awesome. Oh, they got pretty cool glasses in there too, but 60s, 70s folk Japanese music. Traditional Japanese music, a lot of good stuff. Wow. I'll have to come in here and look through the records. 50 and 60 musics too. All right, so one of my favorite places I like to come to when I'm in Little Tokyo is a place that's been here for 50 years. I just realized they've been here for 50 years. This place is very famous. It's called Suehiro Cafe. Right there's the name of the restaurant. Good stuff. Look at, they got all sorts of items. You can get zaru soba, yakisoba. They got kare, gyoza, and they've got the katsu donburi, and even they have sake too. So good stuff. LA traffic number 101. All right, I am down here in Plaza Olvera. I think this is where a lot of Los Angeles started, and people are outside enjoying their day. We've got a lot of activity going on as usual. Let's walk down here and see what's going on in Plaza Olvera. All right, we'll wait for these people to walk by. All right, I'm not going to walk very fast because my knees are bothering me a little bit, but it says El Pueblo de la Reina de Los Angeles, September 4th, 1781.
Ahí trabajé 4 años y ahorita estoy en Ontario. Se llama Martínez Torres.
They've got the mariachis out. Guitars are $16.95. No handling, it says. Look, but no handling. Got the Lucha Libre mask right here. Oops. Whoa, she came back right by me. Some guys' t-shirts right there. Papi Chulo. Bad Bunny. Lucha Libre. Got a lot of stuff that are pretty much the same. The same stuff, looks like. Oh, they got some nice hats right here. Fedoras. Sandals right here. A lot of nice leather craft shoes that they make here. There's a nice picture of Frida. No, video it says, huh? Of Frida Kahlo. Some nice stuff right there. A lot of stuff for sale here. And so we're on our way to Chinatown, but we decided that we'd walk through Plaza Olvera. And Let's see what's cooking down here. Hecho con cariño. Oh, she's like making posters of caricatures. Very nice. Looks pretty cool. Blessing of the animals they have before Easter, or Easter, I guess, huh? Some of these stalls are, I guess, available for people that if they want to open up a little business selling stuff, they can. Oh, nice. It's got the little accordion. All right. So we're almost down to the very end. Oh, that's nice. So watch where we're going. Look at the steps right there. I like those Diego Rivera paintings. They're really nice. There's an actual photograph of Nicolo. People here eating in this restaurant here. There's a lady taking a picture. Nice. All right, and we got the La Golondrina Cafe. El Paseo Inn. Public restrooms. Hey, I think I'm gonna have to go here to go to the restroom.